Is that an E? Did someone write on there?
At some point.
What? Is that a smiley face?
Where?
This is a smiley face. We had every intent on making this a normal video, and then we turned the light on. So if you're wondering what kind of hidden messages your house might hold, you need one of these, because we have black lights, and I can honestly tell you that none of them have ever uncovered these things.
We've got this UV flashlight today, and it actually comes with a smart charger and rechargeable batteries, which is kind of cool because it's all in one package. Look at that Velcro. It's a nice little case. You could attach it to your belt maybe. Okay, right there. And now for the fun part. Satisfying. And what we just noticed, I mean, if you sit and stare at it pretty hard, you can kind of see that these are lit up red. But if you go like that, then you can really see. Earlier, you couldn't see it. You can definitely see the green. So the batteries are charged. So you got a thing there. And I think these go in that way. Look at this UV reactive stuff. Ruby eyes, that stuff. Mushrooms. I'd like to thank the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a review. All the comments in this video are my own.
The letter E, smiley face. Can you make it wider?
Mm-mm.
Look at my nails. That's creepy. Why don't yours do that?
They do.
Okay, well, you can look for hidden messages in your house.
You see that?
What is that?
That's neat. Does it? It does. It does show up.
What is that?
An amber. An ember.
There's nothing there, though. There's literally nothing there. This is like, this has been freshly painted. Like, I don't understand why it looks so disgusting. What? Wait, look, it's all over the wall. What in the world is happening? No. The camera is not doing this justice. It's so gross. It looks like a horror movie in our bathroom.
So
I can't.
The orange is not showing up. It does. Okay.
I know. It's not showing up the same
as the flake.
As what we're seeing. Like, you're not seeing this. This is like super dark, and then these like spots are like really bright.
Oh my god.
Are you?
That's a lot of soap.
No. What is that?
It's soap.
There were parts of this that I had to mute because our reactions were so raw that I couldn't put them in the video. That's why there's like not complete thoughts coming out. Okay, if you... No, like you don't even understand. I'm horrified right now. It sees through the paint. It's like a
Smiley.
Don't look at the light.
Don't look at
Okay.
it.
No, look. Blind yourself.
Pretty cool, though.